Oh, isn't it cool to land right by the sea? Imagine if the pilot effed up though. The first part of this trip is in Tayrona Park. We hike, and when you reach a higher part of the mountains in the middle of the jungle, you can see the sea. This sea sounds so powerful. It's mesmerizing. I've been wishing for a trip like this for so long, and I'm so grateful I was finally able to immerse myself in such beautiful paradise. For how long, you ask? Well, I know you're not asking, and you don't care, but this is my first official vacation trip in over 3 years. I've been feeling burned out. I mean, how not to? I've been so caught up with work, and I thought I knew I needed to rest, but only until I got here, I realized how much I actually needed this. We're approaching the beaches we can swim at, and it's around 4 p.m. We want to get to the main beach, which is the farthest. I'm feeling a little frustrated because maybe it'll be dark when we get there. We finally made it to the tent. Do we look dead or what? However, I can promise you it was so worth it. All of a sudden, the morning arrived. We passed out at like 7 p.m. and got up at 4:30 a.m. just in time to see the beautiful rising sun. Lately, I've been falling out of my good habits. I finish work and I feel too tired to do anything else in life. Being in survival mode is not good, even though there are different levels, of course. I've been trying to snap out of this cycle, but I guess I haven't been trying hard enough. It's only day 2, and this trip is already making me question what I'm doing with my life. But at least at this exact moment, I feel I'm in the right place.
Se llama pirulais, ¿viste?
I didn't show you food because in general, I've just been trying to be in the moment. It's so hard filming a vlog while you're trying to be present. This arepa was so good. We were walking our way back and it was like finding an oasis since at this point we had walked for around 40 minutes. Oh, and there's also lake. Actually this is mangrove, and let me warn you, something bad is about to happen.
¿Viste?
Oh yeah, that wasn't it. Just wait. Not yet, by the way. We're just here having the best chocolate bread ever. In our second stop, it was hot, both the bread and the weather. But I was craving this. It was part of the reason why I came here. After eating this much, I'm tired, so he's carrying my bag. But no, really, that's not the reason why. This is what happened, friends. I got stung by a wasp. Oh my god, that was so painful. I couldn't even continue filming for the rest of the hike back. And after so much pain and crying, we got to the hotel in the city. Look how tall the ceiling is. This view is so good. I almost forget that I was stung by a wasp, except for the fact that it hurts like hell every time I turn around. Part of the reason why we decided to make this trip together was to celebrate our 3rd anniversary as a couple. This date was so much fun, and I'm not just saying that because of the food. I mean, it was definitely a relevant factor. And well, it was also my birthday. We're drinking coffee because the night is young and so are we. Just kidding. We're actually walking back to the hotel for the karaoke party, which happened to be tonight during my birthday. And do you know what's my favorite activity ever? Well, of course you don't. It's karaoke. I mean, is there anything more fun than this? Please don't answer. Well, now we're moving to our next location. We're going to Baru Beach, which is near to Cartagena. I've never been to Cartagena or to Baru, but I'm so excited because I have no idea what to expect. This bus ride was a nightmare, by the way. We got charged more than we should have for a super bad quality service. There were a million stops and I had to call our Airbnb host because we might not make it in time. It's hard to get there when it's dark, that's what they said. So at this point, we're just thinking of a backup plan.
Hijo de madre.